Welcome to Daily Dose of Dallas! I am here with my little thinky friend Riptide. He's hiding behind the pineapple. Like literally right here. You see my but he is here. His nickname is Bubbles because he loves blowing bubbles. And I got him 2 weeks ago. And he's really cute. He brings a lot of joy to the family, especially to my mom and myself. And yeah, he loves to explore, and he grew a lot bigger because he loved food. He's a really good eater, and he loves to play around in his little cute tank. And speaking of his tank, this tank is a self-cleaning tank. Hopefully I don't disturb you, Riptide. And here is the pole for the cleaning. And you just take the lid off, you add the fresh water in, and then it's gonna start pouring out of this, and it'll take the dirty water out, and it'll just come right out, and then it'll just drain all of it out. When you're done, just stop the water, and it'll drain all the way down out of this and go up to the level. Speaking of self-cleaning, we have another tank that's also self-cleaning. Big thing over here. It's by Easy Care. It's Easy Care Plus by Marina. I don't know. It's no mess, no stress. Just lift the heavy. Where did I get heavy? Just lift the lever, and Easy Care Plus does the rest. And it comes with, I think it comes with a heater and a light, I think.
It says it here
Includes a double-sided background, decorative pebbles, an Easy Care Plus self-cleaning system. And it has these little backgrounds. We got it in white. And yeah, so the directions are, it says, no mess, no stress, no need to get your hands wet, disturb your Betta, or disrupt your decor. Simply just lift the lever and the Easy Care Plus self-cleaning system is activated. So step 1, simply lift the Easy Care Plus lever to flush dirty water into the reservoir. 2, empty. Red indicator ball tells you when it's time to remove an empty reservoir. 3, top up. Add fresh water to refill aquarium. And that's basically all you have to do. And so just open it. So this is how it looks like. And which one could we do for Riptide? I feel like this one would go for Riptide. Just connect it, and there you go. Your little cute base. And then So Matt
I'm
can,
gonna just rinse these out.
yeah, let's rinse these out. And so while I'm waiting for my mom to rinse the pebbles out, I will tell you what else I got. So I got this little Betta bed leaf hammock. It's really cute. It has a suction cup that you can connect to the end of this leaf, and you place it. I don't know how to say this stuff, but you place it that much below the surface, and you can. There's helpful hints. Train your Betta to use the Betta bed leaf hammock by feeding your Betta above the leaf, which we will do, in case we have to go and no one's gonna feed our fish, so useful. These little seeds, Betta bulbs, live plants for your environment, and 3 count. And I think you just plant them and then they'll grow. Little plant, I love this thing. It's so pretty and cute. It's so cute. And then we got this cute little flamingo with lemonade in it. Super cute. I love it. It's so cute. And it's with the sand. And we got another Betta bed. This one's bigger. And so, new large size leaf hammock for your Betta to rest or sleep on. Great for large size Bettas such as king Bettas, Dumbo, rose tail, or double tail. Allows your Betta to rest near the surface of the water just like they do in nature. And it can also be used as a resting place for mud skippers, African dwarf frogs, aquatic newts, hackling turtles, and crabs. It says Betta Buddy, small Marimo. I don't know how to say that completely, so if I'm saying it wrong, please correct me. And they're little cute plants, and it says pairs great with Betta fish. Basic care: remove aquatic plant from container and rinse gently. Your plant is now ready to plant in your aquarium. So that's basically it. That's all you need to do. And they're 3 counts. They're really fluffy looking, but I do not want to sleep with them. And why is there 2 tanks? What am I gonna do with 2 tanks? And what am I gonna do with 2 Betta beds? And one's bigger, one's smaller. So what am I gonna do with them? Well, what I'm gonna do with them is, there was a bug, I'm sorry. And there's 2 Betta beds. What am I gonna do? Well, too bad I didn't have another fish. Oh wait, I remember. I do have another fish. 1 second. Here he is. He's so cute. Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Say hi. You don't want to say hi, you're too shy. Aww, he's so cute. So this little Betta is a double tail male, and basic care: partially changed water weekly with dechlorinated or spring water. Keep out of direct sunlight. Refer to Betta Care Sheet for more information. And so, this is a little cutie. I love him. His fins look like galaxy fins, kind of. I always forget that if you turn the cup, you're not gonna. The fish always stays in the one spot. It's so weird. Why do you do that? Why do these fish do that? But yeah, he's super cute. He looks like a galaxy fish. And he's just really cute. Come on, say hi to the camera. We're gonna see the camera again. Come on, say hi to the camera. He's so pretty. Aw, he's looking at the camera. At least was. So cute. Yeah, so I love his little fins. They're like red and purple. And they're really cute and beautiful. And so he's going to have this little Betta bed. And in the tank that Riptide is in, we're going to put him in there instead. Give him the flamingo in this one. And put one of these Betta buddies or Marimo balls into his tank. So, hi buddy, you're so cute, you know that? Aww, you're so cute. And we're going to move Riptide to the big cake. And yeah, so this guy taking Riptide's cake, or you can say tank, and that's gonna be his place now. So we'll see ya when they're in their tanks. Do I stop recording now?
Sure.